Hey there, car owners. Winter is just around the corner and it's time to get your vehicle ready for those chilly days and icy roads. Whether you drive a regular gas guzzler, an electric marvel, or something in between, prepping your car for winter is essential. Let's dive into the ultimate winter car prep checklist. First up, let's talk tires. Winter tires are a must if you live in an area with heavy snowfall. They provide better grip and handling on icy and snowy roads. Don't forget to check the tire pressure regularly as it can drop with the temperature. And if you're storing your car, make sure to inflate those tires to the recommended pressure to avoid flat spots. Next, the battery. Cold weather can be tough on your car's battery. Get it tested to ensure it's holding a charge. Clean the terminals and ensure there's no corrosion. If it's more than 3 years old, consider replacing it to avoid getting stranded in the cold. Now let's talk fluids. Top off your antifreeze and make sure it's mixed correctly. Your windshield washer fluid should be rated for low temperatures to prevent it from freezing. And don't forget to change your oil to a winter grade if you live in extreme cold areas. Windshield wipers are often overlooked but crucial during winter. Invest in a good pair of winter wipers that can handle snow and ice. Keep an ice scraper and a snow brush handy in your car for those frosty mornings. For those storing their car, make sure to clean it thoroughly inside and out. Wash and wax the exterior to protect the paint from the elements. Vacuum the interior and use a moisture absorber to prevent mold and mildew. Disconnect the battery or use a battery maintainer to keep it charged. Stormproofing your car is also important. Make sure your car is parked in a safe place, away from trees or power lines that could fall during a storm. Keep a storm emergency kit in your car, including items like a flashlight, blankets, non-perishable snacks, and a first aid kit. Lastly, always keep your gas tank at least half full. This prevents the fuel lines from freezing and ensures you have enough fuel to stay warm if you get stuck. For electric cars, make sure to monitor your battery and plan your trips accordingly, so you're never caught off guard. So, do you need to winterize your car? Absolutely, it's all about safety and ensuring your vehicle is ready to tackle the cold months ahead. By following these tips, you'll keep your car running smoothly and safely throughout winter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car care tips. Stay safe and warm out there.